welcome back to my channel. I'm joined with Becky. She is a professional makeup artist. She works for Charlotte Tilbury, and today she's going to be glamming me.
Glamming you up, yeah.
I'm super excited, but before we get into it, do you want to introduce yourself, tell everyone where you can find yourself?
Yeah, so my Instagram's at makeupbybecky18. I post lots on me at the moment, obviously because of lockdown. I work at Charlotte Tilbury at the moment and do freelance, and yeah, I've been doing makeup for like 5 years. I love it. I'm excited to glam your face.
So make sure you go follow her Instagram and all her socials. I'll leave them on the side, and get booked in when you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get on with the makeup. I'm excited.
Let's go.
I'm all prepped. I've washed my face and I've put my moisturiser on.
So I'm gonna go in with eyes first and brows because that's just how I like it, so there's no like fallout or anything.
Yeah, that's
It's gonna do like a golden bronzy vibe today.
Oh, I'm excited.
Yes, bronzed up for your dinner.
Yeah, I completely forgot I had booked a dinner tonight with Els and my mum and dad.
Very nice. You look so glamorous.
So,
all of the Instagram pics.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Keep an eye out for that. I'm actually very excited to have you do my brows because your brows always look insane.
Oh, thank you. It's one of my favourite things to do actually, is someone's brows.
I've never done brows first.
Yeah, so everyone's different. Like at work, we actually have to do base first. We're not allowed to do eyes first. Like it's literally, yeah. But in my freelance, it's just like it means your like base is gonna like I don't have to clean up. Like if I do your eyes and I use like a glitter pigment and I've done your skin, like it just
Not ideal.
it's not ideal.
Do you know what? It's going to be such a shock seeing myself evolve.
Full glam. Yeah.
I just don't do eyeshadow.
It's nice. It's nice to like have a different like look. I love getting my makeup done by other people just to see like how they like envision my face, if that makes sense.
But it's good though as well because when someone else does your makeup, you kind of learn and you like look at yourself and you're like, oh wow,
yeah,
I didn't know I could look like that.
Completely. And you learn. There's always like you might not like some aspects or some things you might change on a day-to-day basis, but you might be like, oh, I love the eyebrows. I could do that every day or something. So I do like the brows first, and then I use a concealer as like a base all over the eyes, and then I do the shadow. I want to do like a bright look on you as well. I was like, we'll start off with the glam, and then I was like, next time we'll do like something more fun.
Don't want to scare her.
Yeah.
We should definitely do the Halloween and then a Christmas look.
Oh yeah, that would be fun.
Obviously, if you're up for it, I'm like, yeah, we should do that.
Yeah.
I'm just
gonna book you in now. There you go. Okay, so wow, we're using the Charlotte Tilbury Golden Goddess palette today. It's vegan, cruelty-free. It's nice and glowy and bronzy. So I'm just putting like the champagne shade like all over her eye, and we're gonna do like a nice brown smoky wing. So it's gonna be sultry.
What we like.
What made you like? What made you go like more natural? Was it just like as you grew up, like just a different change? Like, do you know what I mean? Or
I think. Well, when I was back in school, I was really ill and I was like in bed a lot.
Yeah.
I used to be really sporty, so I always wanted to be doing stuff. But because I couldn't be as physically doing stuff, I found a love for makeup because I could just sit and do it.
Yeah.
And I used to just play around with it, and it just became my little escape. Fell in love with it. But then as I got better and my skin cleared up, because I had really bad acne. As my skin cleared up, I was like, I don't want to wear loads, and I just want to embrace my natural
I think that's a real point, like when you've got bad skin, you're just so much more grateful for when you've got good skin. It's like, oh, I don't need to wear makeup anymore.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, even when I have days when my skin's not looking as good, I don't go to grab my makeup anymore and be like, I need to cover it, because now I just like, do you know what, everyone gets spons. But I do love makeup because it does make a difference, especially when you're going out and you want to get dressed up.
And it's fun to like be creative.
I think so too. Obviously, confidence comes from within. It's not about your external appearance. But when you do have it all on, you're just like, you know what, I'm it.
Yeah, 100%, 100%.
I was like kind of falling asleep. I'm not gonna lie. I was in a very calm zone with my eyes closed.
You should see me at work. I'm like, close, open, close, open, close, open. It's just one of those things. If you do eyeliner shut and then you open, it doesn't look good.
Yeah.
Whereas if you do it open, you can see that it's gonna look nice.
I I always used to find when I did people's makeup in college, their head would start to go like this.
Yeah.
After a while, and I'd be like, keep your chin up.
Yeah.
And then they'd be like that. I'm like, chin up.
Did you enjoy doing people's makeup?
I actually did.
Yeah.
I really liked it. It's a really soft pencil. It's really nice. Oh, that's a primer.
This is Wonderglow, yeah.
Oh,
So it's a nice
tinted.
golden dewy primer.
Oh, yes,
It's
make
nice.
me glow.
Yeah.
This feels nice.
This is the Magic Foundation.
Oh,
So this is like
is it gonna make me
medium
look pretty?
to full coverage. Yeah. It's gonna make you look beautiful.
One day when I'm famous.
Yeah, you can take me along. I can be like your Mario to the Kim.
Yeah.
You know, make that happen.
The talentless one and the one with...
No! Stop. I'm gonna use some spritz.
Ooh.
This is the Barry illuminating finish. It's
Ooh.
cute. Okay, ready, close? It actually gives like a glow. Like there's like very fine dewy particles. So then we're gonna add the Beauty Light wand from Charlotte Tilbury, if any wants to come out. So this is like a liquid highlight, which is really
I've
creamy.
seen you use this on your tutorials.
I love this. This is, okay, if I had to recommend anything, it'd be that.
You put it in like your inner corners, don't you,
Yeah.
sometimes? See, I know, I watch.
Yeah, she's there. Okay, turn this way and close your eyes.
I'm so sorry.
I think we should leave it. I think we should be like, this is what I added to the makeup.
This is my input to the look.
That's right.
Always does that whilst I'm filming.
The camera's just going to be on my back and my arse like the whole time. It's just going to
I'm
like,
sure they
this
won't
is a
mind,
really
yeah.
good makeup video. We're using a NYX suede lipstick, vegan everyone, and this is in Dainty Days.
Oh. So do you go back to work soon?
I'm back.
Oh, you are back?
Yeah, oh my god, I haven't seen you. Yeah, I'm back part-time, which is lovely. So 3 days
Yeah.
a week.
Are you allowed
So
to
dreamy.
do people's makeup?
Not yet at work. Okay, close. And then we're doing lashes, and then we're done. Right, I don't know whether to do TL21s or, so I've got these on. All these. So these are going to be a bit more like fluttery. You're going out, so you're going to keep these, so please choose. Yeah, of
Are you
course.
sure?
I can't use them on anyone else, babe. So yeah, of course.
I'll look after. These are the ones you're wearing.
Yeah.
They look really pretty on you, but I like how fluffy they look, so I just...
Go for the fluffies?
Do you reckon?
I think go for the fluffies. I think
Yeah.
they're going to be more dramatic.
Oh, okay. This is the finished look. I'm obsessed. I feel so glam. I really like it. I absolutely love the highlight.
Had so much fun. Yeah,
It's
look really
really-
glowing. Yeah.
I feel snatched. Thanks for
You're
coming.
welcome.
and,
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. Well, everyone, go follow Becky.
Thanks so much.
Make sure you check out her makeup. It's literally amazing, as you
thank
can
you.
see from both of us.
And I will be back.
Yes.
And we will do something
Yeah.
really fun and colourful, I think, next time.
Let us know down below what look you guys would want to see
Yeah.
Becky do on my face. We're going to do a styling
Yes.
video.
I'm really excited for that. That will be so fun.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, definitely.
And we'll be back with some more videos soon.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.